Are you a student and want to learn how to make money but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and most effective ways to start earning money from home. Don't miss out on these game-changing tips. I stumbled upon these 11 best online jobs for students. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks, work-from-home job opportunities, and side hustles. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's get back to the video. Let's delve into the first method on my list, genealogy. Genealogy involves tracing family histories, a pursuit that intrigued me after discovering my own Viking ancestry through a relative's meticulous research efforts. Surprisingly accessible, genealogy jobs are frequently available on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Although some projects require extensive investigative skills, many tasks involve straightforward online searches. According to Glassdoor, genealogists earn an average of $80,000 annually, making it a viable part-time option for students. I rate genealogy at 8 out of 10 on my student money score. Next is tutoring, a field I ventured into while preparing for the pharmacy admissions test, the PCAT, in college. Excelling in my studies and sharing insights with peers, demand for my tutoring services grew rapidly. Starting at $30 per hour, my rates eventually climbed to over $180 hourly, reflecting the value of specialized knowledge. Tutoring isn't limited to standardized tests. Expertise in subjects like math or English can also command high fees. It's a lucrative opportunity for students, earning a perfect 10 out of 10 on my money score. Becoming an online influencer, a role I dabbled in through uploading RuneScape gameplay videos on YouTube, has become increasingly accessible in recent years. While my journey began as a hobby, today's influencers can monetize content more effectively than in the past, particularly if they leverage unique experiences or affiliations, such as attending Ivy League universities. However, success in this field requires significant time investment before yielding returns, earning it a 6 out of 10 on my money score. Content writing, essential for creating impactful online content, serves as another viable income source. Whether scripting videos, writing blogs, or crafting newsletters, skilled content writers are in demand across various platforms. Entry-level roles can quickly transition into full-time positions, making content writing a lucrative option with a 9 out of 10 money score. Graphic design, especially thumbnail creation for YouTube videos, plays a critical role in attracting viewers. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly impact video engagement, distinguishing channels in competitive niches. However, mastering graphic design demands time and dedication, earning it a 4 out of 10 on my money score. Digital marketing, a career path I frequently recommend, offers diverse opportunities in SEO, pay-per-click, and copywriting. Well-suited for young professionals, digital marketing leverages generational insight and creativity to enhance brand visibility. It's a versatile field ideal for freelance work, side hustles, or full-time employment, earning a perfect 10 out of 10 on my money score. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving on to the next opportunity, becoming an IT help desk specialist. This is a role you can enter quickly. I recently interviewed individuals who landed these jobs in just 10 to 14 days. Remarkably, one person secured the job using only an iPad, underscoring how accessible this field can be. The tech industry, in general, offers excellent pay, job satisfaction, and often allows for remote work, making it an ideal starting point for many careers. It's common for college students to pursue this path and sometimes even leave college for these better opportunities. I'd rate this career a solid 10 out of 10 for its earning potential. Now, let's discuss video editing, a highly valuable skill. However, it's crucial to excel in your chosen niche. For example, specializing in YouTube video editing demands proficiency because global competition, especially from lower-cost living countries, exists. To stand out, consider becoming a retention editor, adept at enhancing viewer engagement. Starting with platforms like TikTok or Instagram can provide initial experience in short-form content creation. Mastery in video editing takes considerable practice, which is why I'd rate this option a 7 out of 10 in terms of income potential. Moving forward, web design, also known as UX or UI design, involves creating visual aspects of websites or software. While a degree isn't mandatory, entering this field demands a blend of artistic flair and analytical skills. Beginners could benefit from Google's professional certificates, affordable at $39 per month, to build a portfolio. Web design offers opportunities in freelance or corporate settings, though it requires time and dedication to master. Given its artistic appeal and potential for growth, I'd rate this option a 7 out of 10. Next up is software development, a field I've extensively covered. It's arguably the best career choice for its high pay and job security, with entry-level roles starting around $95,000 annually. Many in the FIRE, financial independence, retire early movement community, work as software developers due to its lucrative nature. While challenging to learn, especially without prior experience, beginners can start by landing an IT help desk job and gradually transition into software development. This career easily earns a 10 out of 10 for its income potential. Now, let's discuss data entry clerks. This role is easy to secure, often within 2 weeks, making it a viable option for immediate income. However, it involves repetitive tasks with limited earning potential and minimal skill development. Other similar roles include transcriptionists and customer service representatives, offering quick job placements but low wages. Overall, I'd rate data entry a 3 out of 10 due to its lack of growth prospects. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.